Cook and Vibe. Yes, welcome. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. And it's Halloween tomorrow, but you don't know we do the episode on Sunday. So, a different vibes today, people. We're not cooking no food today. Alright, I've got a little snack down here, I'll show you that in a minute. But today, we're going to be telling a ghost story. Alright, now, throughout this episode, people, I'm not going to be referring to ghosts as ghosts. In Jamaica, the word for ghost is doppy. Alright, so you see when we say doppy, that means ghost. Alright, so let's clarify that from the beginning. Education for the nation. Man's driving, I don't have to go to the train station. You see me, people? Yeah. So, obviously, Jamaican people, anybody grew up around Jamaican culture, you're going to know the term doppy for ghost. English people, doppy is ghost. Alright, so we are going to tell a doppy story today, people, from Jamaica. You get me? So, yeah, man, a different vibe today, people. It's Halloween. Why, happy Halloween. If you celebrate it, if you don't, just go and listen to the story and you see, yeah, man. Boom. All right, people. So, let's start from the beginning. So, all right. In Jamaica, a place called Clarendon. All right, Clarendon is in the countryside. Okay, and in this place, there was a woman and a man. This man apparently, now there may be different various stories to this, the beginning of it, but I'm going to tell you what I heard, and I heard it from a reliable source who's from that area. You know what I'm saying? So they said a man and him used to raise hogs, you see me, pigs, and used to raise them and sell them and whatnot. And apparently a woman named Carol, yeah, she see him and do something, some funny things are go on. You understand? And the man tell her, say, for not say anything. Don't say nothing. You get me? Boom. The man even pay her money and tell her, say, don't say nothing. You get me? But she still talk. She still talk, people. So after she talk now, the man said, he might go set Duppy upon her. Yeah? And this is where Wentico, the story of Wentico, comes to life. Now, Wentico is the ghost and is meant to be, yeah, in Clarendon in Jamaica. And a serious thing, you know, people, me not tell you, know, like.
You see that with your own two eye?
Yeah, man, him powerful, man.
So,
Powerful, man.
you ever hear Wentico talk? You ever hear Wentico talk before? Like,
yeah, man, me ain't talk enough time, man, because we used to hide from school and go over there, you know, just because
Because a lot of people have seen stuff with their own eyes, and there's more than one person have seen these things happening. All TVJ, all the media sites and everything in Jamaica went down to see Wentico. You understand? Apparently, people used to go down there with food, right? And they would give him food, but say the man don't like pepper. You get me? And the man would eat the food, but turn the pepper into ashes or dirt. Yeah, man, and man things is true things, man, I tell you, people. Yeah, and apparently, like, he would talk, but you can't see him. High like that, like in him nose, him talk. You get me? So, read up his story, Wentico, I take set pan the woman, you know what I mean? Him start be a mad things, and it gets even more crazier than that, and it gets even more scarier than that. So yeah, start with things. I don't know if what happened was what happened to Carol, but I know he lift up a woman in the air and carry her in the air. You see me? And people them see it, man. Real thing. You get me? Another thing. He must have folded up somebody and put them inside the drawer. How you do that? Duppy alone can do that. I fold up the person and put them in the drawer. I carry people, fly with them, take them in the air. You get me? All the pepper too. Bare things Wentico deal with. You get me?
Yeah.
And me see the woman a roll up the hill instead of down the hill. I was so shocked, me I tell
Yeah, man, I
you.
went to go that man.
Because it wasn't a
Powerful
strong,
man.
it wasn't a strong young woman. It a big woman, and me see woman a roll up the hill instead of down the hill.
Yeah.
Because me never used to believe at first, you know. Me never used to believe at first, but when me see the woman a roll up the hill, that's when me say, what we look like, sitting goes off it through.
But you have to remember, say people, Jamaica, all heap of limestone, they are Jamaica. Energies, you know. So the energies is like powerful. Do you know what I'm saying? Enough spiritual places that I've been to in Jamaica. And it's like nowhere else in the world. Do you know what I'm saying? Is I mean, spiritual things happening.
Wentico, powerful man.
They know him be a face, so I ride bike, he might ride pan bus, he might eat out people dinner, and he might talk to people.
Yeah, man, he use attract and burn up our foot them.
Yeah, me really see the woman come a kill it one day, and she a show up on her foot. Some spots, see a Wentico use hot stone and burn up her foot them.
You see? Yeah, man. You don't know, people. It's Cook and Vibe, Halloween special, Wentico, the Duppy story. Yeah. So, Wentico now, apparently, Carol moved to St. Anne's from Clarendon. And if you move away from it, but apparently, it never stopped there, people. It never stopped there. Wentico follow her because she got live with her man friend in St. Anne's. I like Wentico follow her. And this now, I call the whole heap of destruction and confusion in the community in St. Anne's. Because half the people them say, I hope your man, and them thing there, and them cut them one cut out. And no one there no more. You see me? And the other half I say we gotta take a week fast. And as them a reason about what them a gonna do. I like some rain clouds just cover up the place. And the place get dark. Thunder and lightning a strike. There's no rain, you know? No rain. I just, yeah. People say, I cut out of here, brother. So, there are other things that went on with Wentico. And funny enough, that area there in Clarendon is where Ringo's from. So we have a call Ringo and we are gonna ask him if if this is really true, if people really, you know what I'm saying, if people really have seen this. So there's bare other Duppy stories in Jamaica, you get me, but this one is one of the most famous ones, one of the most talked about. Like I say, all TVJ, the main TV stations, everybody want to go down there and see Wentico because you could see, people see it. You understand? Real life Duppy story for you on Halloween. Yeah, man. So, you know, those are people, Jamaica is a spiritual place. Yeah. one time somebody said, this is a different story now. Somebody said they'd see a Duppy on top of the hill. Like somebody a set Duppy or set Obi up on the chopper them, the scammer them. Have a look. It's mad. Me don't want to see that in the morning time or evening time or no time at all. Me don't want to see that. And the next one now. A man in Portmore, Edgewater. Yeah. Him say he's there in his yard and he's taking pictures with his daughter and some video and everything there. And him see a Rasta man walk past. And him say him never noticed until him go through the pictures and go through the things then him never noticed until afterwards. Like the Rasta man I walk and like his eyes then closed and his mouth's closed. You get me? Crazy things. Yeah, like the man say he never even noticed until afterwards. They look back on the pictures then say, oh, this man there, and this man can't be walking around in my house with me with my daughter there. I dress like that in robe and them thing there I walk around. No sir, can't work man. You get me? So we're gonna have a little snack. We have a little snack people. I've got an eyeball. Got an eyeball. That's what we got today. You get me? What is that? Anyway, I'm not sure about that. Some sweet thing. Another thing, Halloween vibes. Yeah. Duppy stories. Not everyone's into Halloween, but we just do it for entertainment. Anything for entertainment. Anything for content, you know. I see the story. I thought it was interesting. You get me? So yeah, there you go, people. I got my cup. Good vibes. Make sure you subscribe. Do the right thing. You get me? It's Cook and Vibe. It's M.R. Why? You don't know how the things set, people. Different things every time, you understand? Yes, man. You understand? Big up yourself, people. Enough love and respect for supporting the channel. I really, really do appreciate it. We really, actually, literally just touching 40k now. We're just touching it. So just do the right thing, man. If you've already subscribed, tell someone to subscribe. Press the like button. Get that algorithm going. You don't know how the thing's set. It's big up section. And I will see you next time. Why? Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know how to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why, people? Yeah, man, welcome to the big up section. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Not everybody's into that sort of stuff. To be fair, I'm not really into that sort of stuff there. I'm not really into that, people. But you don't know, say it's Halloween. So we're going with a theme. And just, yeah, our vibes, people. Do you understand? Sometimes the vibes is just enjoying whatever it is and just being a part of it. And yeah, we know take it seriously and everything there. We know I know spiritual things is out there in the world, but you shouldn't really play with them. That's the way I see it. Like, you just don't ramp with them kind of things there. Leave that be, that world there. And me, I go on in my world. Yes, sir. You see me? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have already, tell a friend. We're literally touching 40k. Literally. So this week's big up. Bama UK says, used to be a hater. Now I love your tunes and your vibe. I love that, because that's just realness and honesty. The man say used to be a hater, but in watch a thing, and it is, people, yeah. Like you watch a TV show sometimes, And you might not really like that character that you see on EastEnders on the TV, but then when you meet them in a real life, a different thing. So just the more people get to know me, my personality, a different thing, you know. And also big up Broken English. Says always smashing it, Mr. International. Yes, my bro, big up yourself, man. Yeah, we've got a couple episodes left in Jamaica and then over here, and I'm looking to go back again next year, start off another season 9. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a good vibes, people. So Halloween special, happy Halloween to anyone who celebrates it, and if you don't, big up yourself, same way, enough love and respect, and I'll see you. I've got a special one for you Thursday. Do not miss Thursday. I'm telling you, special, new, crazy creation. Why?